magical house tour together. Our first stop will be the bathroom. I wonder what's inside the bathroom and how it looks. Come on, let's discover it together. This is the sink. Here we wash our hands. When we come from outside, we wash our hands. This is the toilet. When we need to pee or poop, we sit here. Holding our pee sometimes can make our tummy hurt a little. And this is the bathroom. When we get sweaty or dirty, we wash ourselves here to get clean. And this is my room. Here, I practice the things my mom has taught me. And this is my kitchen. Come on, let's explore it together. If you're ready, let's take a tour of our kitchen utensils. We call this a sink, friends. And this is the stove. This is where our food is cooked. In the next part, I will introduce you to our nature. I love you very much, kids. See you